3 of La Crosse County's 5 COVID deaths were among residents of long-term care facilities. And while these facilities do have strict protocols, cases still manage to circulate. News 19's Mike Biermeister spoke with the daughter of one long-term care resident who died of COVID about why she's frustrated with his assisted living center.
Ronald Vanderzee loved to drive and enjoy the outdoors.
Dad would go fishing at Goose Island. He'd love to go through, watch the deer that were being fed.
His daughter Chris summarized him as a fighter over the phone. He lived through back surgeries, broken legs, and blood pressure problems.
He was going to outlive us all. My dad was too stubborn to do anything but still go and make do with what his circumstance was.
Vanderzee contracted COVID-19 while living at Benedictine Living Community in La Crosse. On Tuesday, he passed away from complications due to the virus. Ronald's passing has left his daughter puzzled as to how he got the virus if the care facility was taking the proper precautions.
This test just blew our mind. How does a nursing home resident contract COVID-19?
Chris's story is just one of what many families are experiencing across the nation. A Mayo Clinic health system doctor tells News 19 these deaths in care facilities stem from how communities are approaching the virus.
That is the end result of ongoing community transmission and the things that we are doing as a society, and how much we are, say, opening up and reducing our social distancing.
While Chris appreciates the care provided by the staff at Benedictine, she finds it hard not to dwell on how her father's death could have been prevented. We reached out to Benedictine Community Living, but they did not return our call. However, they do provide a list of precautions they are taking when it comes to COVID-19. One in particular states, when identified, we work to contain the virus by created specialty units with designated staff to care for them, and protocols for enhanced environmental cleaning and use. Even with that reassurance, Chris will always remain skeptical.
So confused why someone who is supposedly so protected from a staff or from himself, how did he get this?
In La Crosse, Mike Biermeister, News 19.
The La Crosse County Health Department reported 34 new COVID cases in long-term care facilities just over the past 2 weeks. A total of 9 facilities in the county have at least one COVID case.